Alright guys, so currently I'm driving in JVC. I will be reaching the Bloom Tower A building in a couple of minutes, and I just want to go there and take a video for you guys to see what my first property, the first property that I bought for investment purpose, looks like in Dubai. So yeah, it's a unit that I love. I really like it, even though I mean, it was my first unit, so we made some mistakes on the furnishing and stuff like that. But overall, it's been such a good investment, such a really a cash machine, a cash flow machine for me. Yeah. So I'll see you inside in a couple of minutes. And actually, while we are here, I don't know if you can see clearly, but here we are in this street. There's these two Bingati buildings over here. And I bought one unit in one of those towers as well. So maybe in my next video I might make a video on my Bingati apartment, on my Bingati height unit in JVC as well. Alright, so let's go see my unit in Bloom Tower A. So when we enter the apartment, we have a nice kitchen with a large fridge and all the appliances that we need. This apartment is actually rented on Airbnb, so we even have in the cupboards here all the cutleries and the pans and anything you need to do your cooking and to eat. So we have coffee machines and glasses and all type of plates as well. So this is what those cleaning company they provide. So on top of providing like linens and all, they put some bottles and coffee and tea, so that's pretty nice. The guests like it. Then we have the very nice balcony here. That's my favorite part of the apartment actually. That's you can just come and chill on this large balcony here, and you have a very nice view. So you have this busy road here, but when you close the door inside, you don't hear any noise actually. That's pretty good. And here this is Dubai Marina that we see there, and if I zoom in, you will see this arc over there is actually the A in Dubai on the blue water. And if you go slightly on the left here, you have the Burj Al Arab, and from very far we can even see the Burj Khalifa. Right, so when the sky is clear, you can see it better. And the good part on this building is, so this I really like this view. So it's not the typical skyline view or the beach view, but I still find it pretty nice. And the good thing is that this land over there, I think there's no construction that will be allowed, at least not in the next 10 years or so. So since it's an Airbnb apartment, we also provided like TVs and Xbox for video games. A nice corridor over here. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Very basic, but more than enough. And here we have a guest bedroom. So we put two single beds because of the number of guests that we usually get. We usually rent this apartment to six guests. So we have two people who will sleep in the master bedroom, two in the single bed here, and two on the sofa bed in the living room. And there's also a lot of places for people to put their luggages and their clothes. It's quite spacious, and it looks fresh and clean. And this is the master bedroom. So we have also a king bed, so they also have their own TV. So we put TVs in every single room, and yeah, some place to chill out here, and a lot of wardrobes as well. It's a corner unit, so we can also see the community view of JVC. So this is JVC. Here, just there, this is actually a school where we can see the football pitch over there. It's a school. And the master bedroom also has its own bathroom and the shower. Yeah, so that's it. And this building is actually has a very nice swimming pool and a gym. So let's go see the pool and the gym. So here we are on the level 5 of that building, and like you can see, there's a large place to come and chill. There's no barbecue though. Over there we have 2 swimming pools, and that's also where we'll see the gym and the sauna. So let's check them out. So there's a first swimming pool here to just relax. So right now it's like 3 p.m. in the afternoon, so I guess most people must be working, so the swimming pool is empty. Usually when I come and check it out on the weekend, it's pretty much full. Whoa, there's also this huge empty place here. I'm not sure what it's used for. And here is the lap swimming pool. So this one is a lot bigger. Unfortunately, I'm not able to record too much because there are people swimming there. And there is the 5 JVC, the famous hotel. Actually own another apartment in this building here, which is a Bingati building. Let me see if we can go to the gym and sauna. Usually if there are people training there, they will not let me go in with the camera, but let's see. So for men and for women, the gym is here. Unfortunately, there are people training in the gym and I'm not able to go in. Yeah, so that's it for this apartment. So as I said, it's a 2-bedroom apartment that I bought for 1.2 million dirhams. It is 1,185 square feet. So overall, very good value for the money. To be honest, even for myself, whenever I come here, I just feel like, you know, I could live here. It's very decent. Everybody that we have rented the apartment to, they actually liked it, and we never had anybody complaining, saying that the place is noisy, the place doesn't look good. On the contrary, we have always been having good feedback on this apartment. And so for the numbers, I bought it for 1.2 million, as I said. And it seems like I just met a couple of real estate agents earlier today, and they came to see the place, and they will give me an estimate. From what we see on Property Finders, is that similar properties are now being sold for 1.5 million. So in my case, I bought this apartment in August, end of August 2023. So it will be 2 years soon. So if I manage to sell it for 1.5 million, that would be a very decent profit actually. Keeping in mind that I've actually been renting this apartment for 2 years on Airbnb now, so we made also a very good profit. And if we really manage to sell it for 1.5 million, I would be quite happy actually. So let's see what happens. We will probably be listing the apartment in the coming days. Now I just need to be able to see how we will juggle with the guests who will be coming on short term and the viewings if you want to sell it. So there will be some coordination to be done, but I mean that's the game, and let's see what happens. I will keep you informed. Thank you for watching. See ya.